Hello everyone. So guys, today I'm here by the lake and it's about sunset. It's so dreamy. It feels almost unreal. The sun is sinking low, the lake is brushed with streaks of gold and rose like melted sunlight spilling into water. The air is cool against my skin, the kind of cold that makes you aware you are alive. A few swans drift slowly across the water, and their movements so calm it feels like they are part of the sunset itself. Overhead, I can hear distant birds calling as the sky deepens into twilight. It's so peaceful that for a moment I don't even want to paint. I just want to sit here, breathe it in, and let time stand still. I think there's something about the sunsets that makes you reflect upon yourself, your life, and life in general. I don't know about you guys, but it makes me think about time, how it slips away quietly, just like the light on the water. Lately, I've been thinking a lot about how we tend to overestimate the time and opportunities we actually have, and how easily we waste them. The other day, I came across a clip on Instagram, and it was from the movie Holy Man, where Eddie Murphy says, 75 years. That's how much time you get if you are lucky. When you look at it like that, it's not a lot of time, is it? Don't waste them. And that line has been echoing in my head since 75 years. It sounds like plenty until you start breaking it down. How many of those years are spent working? How many are spent worrying, scrolling, waiting for the right moment? When you really think about it, the time left for living, for creating, for simply being present feels so much smaller. We trick ourselves into thinking we'll start tomorrow, that there's still plenty of time to chase that dream, to write that story, to learn to paint, to tell someone we love them. But here's the truth. Tomorrow isn't promised. And while I'm not saying this to make you anxious, I do want it to be a gentle reminder we don't actually have as much time as we think. Which means we need to make it count. Not by hustling harder, not by squeezing productivity out of every hour, but by choosing what matters, by spending time with people who light us up, by doing work that feels meaningful, by letting ourselves enjoy the beauty of a sunset without guilt, without rushing to the next thing. And for me, painting has become that reminder. Every brushstroke on this canvas by the lake is a small act of living fully in this moment. It's not perfect. It doesn't need to be. What matters is that I showed up. I allowed myself to be here, to notice the colors in the sky, the way the water reflects gold and violet, and to translate that onto the canvas. So, if you have been putting something off, painting, traveling, calling a friend, starting a project you have been dreaming of, maybe this is your little nudge. Don't wait for the perfect time. Use the time you have, because 75 years, if we are lucky, is really not that much. But lived with intention, with joy, with love, it can be enough. As the sun sets behind this lake and the light fades from the canvas, I feel grateful. Grateful for this moment. Grateful for the chance to create. And grateful for the reminder that life is happening now, not someday.